Hey, you guys, welcome to another day. I hope you guys are having a good one. As you can see where I am, it's so peaceful out here. I'm out in Arizona, our new home, and man, just to be able to have places like this that we can go to that are like just minutes away, from the house where you can retreat and just find some peace and protect your peace is just such a beautiful thing. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but you can hear the water in the background. And I took some time today to go fly the drone, so I'll be showing you some drone footage and all that in this video. But with this whole crazy world that we live in, that is always going to be crazy to some extent, make sure you do what you can to find and protect your peace above all else. And that's what I'm doing. And like I said, fortunately, we're in an area right here where we can do just that. And just take a look at this. This is just amazing. This I can sit out here all day. It's so nice. It's so nice. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you some footage I took today. Just in my little quick escape this weekend, and that's literally minutes away from my house. And I hope you enjoy. You guys take care.